Welcome and welcome back to Life with Peishi. This is Peishi and today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own hair. So this is just a simple, super simple and easy box braid hairstyle that I'm going to be showing you today. So first you're going to have to wash your hair and remember to moisturize it. The first thing I'm going to do now is just parting my hair, and then I'm going to part it again into a smaller section, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band so that it is easy when I go in with the braids. So if you watch this video to the end, ladies, trust me, you won't even need to go to the salon. I mean, I'm just here to show you a way of saving some coins, right? So let's do this. So you can even use your hands to part the hair, it's still okay. Here I'll be using that comb, and I'll also be applying some gel just to make the lines a little straight, but this doesn't really matter. This time around I made the parts, the sections bigger than I normally do because honestly I was just feeling so lazy. So it's a little chunky, but okay. After sectioning just the front part, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, how I do the braiding. So the rubber bands here, they are really helping, especially for beginners. You're going to need them because you won't worry about securing the hair. The rubber band is going to do that for you so that you won't have to struggle that much when you are braiding the hair. Hey, by the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, and if you like this kind of videos, I suggest that you do subscribe. It's free. You just click the subscribe button that is down below, and then the notification bell that is just beside it, so that you get notified each time I release a new video. All right, it's free to subscribe. You just click the button and you become part of our amazing family. Let's do this one more time. You're going to fold the braid, and then you place the middle part on your hair, and then next thing, you're going to borrow some few strands from one side of the braid and then a few strands from the other side, so that you end up with 3 equal parts, and then you start braiding it. Be sure to watch this video to the end because trust me, you do not want to miss the important parts, especially some amazing tips at the end of the video. To my returning subscribers, I just want to say, oh, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate your support, your likes, you watching the videos, sharing it and all. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Girl, this is getting even more interesting. Let's go on to the back part. So you may need to spray some water just to make the hair super soft and easy to manipulate. So I just did that, and then I go on to parting it. Next thing, rubber band, and then braiding. Yes, let's do this. We got this. And we are done. Oh, look at this. I'm really loving the end result. Like, seriously, DIY, easy, super simple, super easy, beginner friendly box braids. So next thing, I'm going to dip the ends in some hot water. Okay, just like that, and just make sure that you have a towel nearby so you can use it to contain that hot water and to help the braids to dry faster. So dipping them in hot water helps them, makes the ends shiny and silky, and just so they don't unravel. If you've watched this video until this point, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the notification bell, like, comment, share, and all those sorts of good stuff. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.